Kamala, what is it? Why did you shout like that?
Nne, did you hear the shout?
As loud and clear as the Ikoro. What happened, my daughter?
Nne,
Yeah?
I had a bad dream.
A bad dream?
A terrible one. The dream is so real. I can see it vividly. I can see it.
My daughter, talk to me. What is the dream all about?
Nne,
Yeah?
in that dream, I was standing on the road, waiting for my prince. Then, accepts this precious gift of life from me is as a sign of my royalty and love for you and this great kingdom. Please, my love. You? Who are you? Hand over my precious stone to me now.
No, it is mine now. You have given him to me and cannot have it back.
And who do you think you are? Who are you?
I am Obala, the cow egret. Patient but persistently thorough in her ways. My mission is of the gods. You have lost your precious stone to me.
You lie! Listen to me. My name is Kamala. I may look calm and simple, but I am made of steel. No man or woman can ever take what belongs to me. I will fight to recover that which belongs to me. Now listen. Hand over my precious stone to me. Now.
That's a very bad dream. Very bad one at that.
Then she said to me, I am Obana, the cow eaglet, patient and persistently in my ways. My ways and mission is of the gods. That she has taken that precious stone which belongs to me.
God forbid.
See, I demanded for my precious stone, mother. I did. But she took off. I went after her. But I slipped and fell. I didn't see her again.
What manner of dream is this? Huh? My daughter, we have to go and see Olubo for him to explain the meaning of this dream to us. Eh? Let's go.
Don't worry. My name is Kamala. The gods are with me. I do not fear human, even the spirit. I will protect that which belongs to me, dead or alive. Ne, please. I am hungry. Agum.
Hey, my forefathers, do you know I was cooking before I heard your shout? Oh, Nemo!
Careful of the choice you make. Makamwata soluta nunua. Olianu madolianu dene.
My prince, the one and only proud prince of Otundu Kingdom. My prince, we have been looking for you everywhere, and we could not find you.
My prince, you would have gotten us into trouble if the king had found out that you are not with us in the palace.
I am not happy. My heart is heavy. I am in the middle of nowhere, completely confused.
My prince, a problem that is whispered to the ears is half solved. What it is, my prince, tell us, that the gods will give us wisdom for us to solve it.
The Queen and His Royal Majesty.
But, my prince, what have you done? Or rather, let's say, what do you need to face them for?
I am ending my relationship with Kamala.
What?
No. My prince, no. This one is going to be a very hard one, my prince. But what did she do to you?
That maiden is not faithful. She is not innocent.
But, my prince, we all thought that Kamala was the best of all maidens in this kingdom.
Abam, the heart is deceitful. What you see on the face is not what is written inside the heart. Lead the way, let us go back to the palace.
Yes, my prince.
We praise on the gods. We don't know the ways, cause the ways are different. We don't know their ways.
I want to be left alone. Gods of my land, I am pleading that you have mercy on me and this kingdom. Let our paths be laced with your benevolent smile. My ancestors, I ask for favor for my son, who must be married to a maiden in the next 3 days. I am praying that you fight against anything that may attempt to prevent that from happening. My heart is failing me, and my premonition is becoming more fearful. I am pleading that you assist in getting it right for me.
Guards!
One of you should go and bring Oduma. Summon him here and let him know I want to see him immediately.
It is done, Your Highness the King.
Ojadike, you have been a very faithful servant, and you do your job diligently well. Continue from where you stopped.
Kamala, what is wrong with you? Why are you wasting your precious tears? Is it of joy or sadness? Ngba, it's okay.
My heart is so troubled. I feel so sad today, Ne.
Share with your mother what troubles you, and I will console you as a mother. What is it that troubles the future wife of the king of Otundo? Eh?
Nay, the prince has not visited me in the past 4 market days. 4! Never! He has refused to see me. I went to the palace to see him, only for him to send the guards to ask me to leave. That he's conducting a ritual. A ritual, Mama. Ojori Fubu. Name Ojori Fubu.
Why don't you want to believe him?
No.
Eh?
No, I don't believe him.
Why?
Because the sister does not believe in what he said. She has been stalling him to stop.
Kamala, my daughter, trust. Trust wears a hood. Do not allow yourself to be distracted by her hood. In the next 4 market days, you and the prince will be getting married, and you both will become one flesh. Maybe he's seeking the faces of our forefathers for the success of your marriage with him. So why don't you believe him?
Gods of my fathers, I hope you're hearing me. And you can see my tears. Don't allow anything that would destroy me to happen to me. Don't allow anything that would destroy me or take away my joy to happen to me.
Kamala.
I do not have anyone. I do not have anyone.
Kamala, I beg you to stop wishing yourself evil. Eh? Put your trust in the gods of our land. And they are the only one that will bless your marriage. Eh?
No.
It's okay. I can see you need to eat something. Oh? Let me get food for you so that you eat and relax your nerves. You feel better. Then we'll talk later.
Akurada, I only want to see my prince. I want to be in his arms. Kemaga posiche.
Hey!
Kemaga posiche.
Gods of my fathers. My forefathers. Eh? My forefathers.
OGENE. OGENE with Junna.
It's our daughter.
Why are you calling out to your gods of your forefathers?
It's our daughter. Eh? She's so sad. She's not happy at all. And she has refused to eat something.
Why?
Because the prince has not come to see her. And even when she went to the palace to see the prince, he refused to see her. She's worried and crying herself to death. Eh?
Leave Kamala alone. She is deeply in love. She will be okay.
Is that why she refused to eat food?
You don't know this thing of love? Have you forgotten? She will be okay.
I am worried. And we can't go more. Eh?
Well, you can go ahead, worry yourself to death. Just go in there and get me my food for my stomach.
No. Do you want to eat here or inside?
If you bring it here, I eat. Am I crying for my forefather?
She's Kamala, she's fearless, the daughter of Nzenwa, the wrestler. She's fearless, she's bold, but she's harmless. Oh, Kamala, she is made of steel, a lady with muscular power, female tiger that fights with venom's anger against her adversaries.
But we have just 4 market days for the ceremony to start.
I assure you, none of the processes will be delayed.
But my king, I don't know why you're bothered about the prince.
You see, the man who is carrying the heavy load is the only one that knows where the weight is the more. The one who is wearing the footwear is the only one who can tell where it pinches. I am not going to have my mind at rest until this whole ceremony is over. When you see a child that is crying and is pointing towards a particular direction, if the mother is not there, then most likely the father will be there.
King Otundu, the Otundu of Dim Otuipa. The gods have favored you with the blessings of royalty.
Thank you. Thank you.
But my king, may you not end this dance, this beautiful dance, like a woman.
I am not going to end the beautiful dance like a woman. But you will agree with me, and I am so certain you know, that when an animal itches at the back and is in dire need of being scratched, that it will always go to a tree. But when a human is in dire need of the same thing, he goes to another human. This is why I am relying on you. Because I want to believe you will always make sure that my back is permanently protected from my enemies.
My king, you're speaking in parables.
Uduma, money will always have its halves. I am trusting you for the success of this marriage. You may leave now.
Well, I have to go. Long leave.
You're welcome. Ojadike.
Oh!
Gurmoja.
I am the crown prince of this kingdom.
And I am the princess of this land.
Maha, as the royal crown proud prince of this kingdom, I order you not to talk to me without any respect.
You can only give orders to your guards and subjects and not me. If a man calls his basket a useless basket, the children will use it to dispose refuse. A man that gathers ant-infested firewood invites the lizards to a feast. The way a man dances is the way the drums beat for him. And know it, that when a man does a bad dance, his kinsmen scratch their brows. Why are you behaving like a child?
Enough! Maha, enough!
Do not raise your voice at me. Go and be a man and face your problems like a man should. What has that maiden done to you that you want to break her heart again? What is the matter with you?
She is not faithful.
Says who? Has her virginity been tested and she failed? Tell me, how did you discover that she's unfaithful?
Maha, that is my decision and not yours.
You are going to have father to contend with on this.
I don't have your time. Let me go and continue with my work for the day.
Be careful of the choice you make. Makamwata soluta nunuwa. Olianu madolianu dene.
Okay, Kamala.
Would you bring this word to me? What is it?
What is it? Relax now. Why are you running like a tiger that has just lost her cub?
Adako, there is a snake on my roof.
Snake?
What do you mean? Which snake? How?
I need to start looking for my black goats in daytime before an enemy takes him away from me.
I'm confused. Can you relax and talk to us? Please.
Kamala, make us understand now.
Uju. Adako.
Stop crying now. What is it?
Okay, I will say it. My prince,
okay,
the prince of my life, has refused seeing me. He doesn't visit me or my household any longer.
How?
I even went to the palace to meet with him, only for him to ask his guards to send me away, that he's performing rituals.
How is that even possible?
I don't know.
Okay, relax,
I don't know.
Did you people fight?
We did not fight.
This is bad omen. Okay, you know what? Wait, chill. What do you intend to do now?
A maiden said to my face that she has taken that which is so precious to me. That she has taken my prince away from me. How?
A maiden? Who is this maiden in this Dimotikba?
No, too lazy.
She's known from this part. And she's not like us.
What do you mean she's not like us?
Uju, she behaves like a god.
Ha! Kamala Biakwa. She a god? A god in human form? Or an amazing nishi? What are you saying?
Adako, Emenemefa, don't do this to me. You know me too well. You know that I, Kamala, I will be the last person to say what I'm not sure of or what I don't know. Are you trying to say I don't know what I'm saying?
It's okay, Kamala. Adako, this matter is beyond our understanding. Let's just leave her alone for now.
May the gods forbid anything that will make me shed bitter tears.
Kamala, it's okay. Nothing will happen to the prince. Nobody will take the prince away from you. In this our community.
Nobody will take the prince away from me.
Nobody will take him away from you.
Nobody's taking the prince away from you, okay? Stop crying, please. Don't be like this. It's okay.
Which maiden is that one? Which one is...
That maiden is unfaithful. Who, my prince? She is not qualified to be called the queen of the proud prince of Utundu Kingdom. She is not, my prince.
Who are you talking about?
Kamala is the one I am talking about.
But why, my prince? My prince, this is a very serious matter. But my prince, do you have any evidence to prove her unfaithfulness?
Kuma,
my prince,
are you now doubting my sense of judgment?
Hey, no, my prince. Why would I? You are the proud prince of Utundu Kingdom, my prince. What I'm trying to say is that this is a very weighty matter. If proven true, then the maiden, she's finished.
Prince of Dim Otuikba, proud, elegant and honorable, I greet you.
Please, rise, beautiful worthy maiden of our land, so that the crown proud prince will take a look of your shape. Can I have your hand? What is your name, please?
I am Ubala, the cow egret, patient but persistently thorough in my ways.
You're really an egret. You pleased my heart.
Who has made a poor maiden the alluring petal of the bee for this great kingdom? You overwhelm me with your desires.
Will you be my queen?
But my prince, you don't know me yet.
I'm the crown prince of this kingdom. I choose whosoever I desire to choose. I have chosen you today. If you can say yes to me now, I am taking you to my father, His Royal Majesty, And I am promising you here and now that in 2 days' time, you will be my queen.
You will have your heart's desires. But first, I will have to go home and let my people know about it.
No! I desire we go see my father, His Royal Majesty, first!
Okay. Why don't you go home? I will meet you at the palace.
Promise?
I promise.
Kuma! My prince, lead the way.
My daughter, you worry yourself over nothing. Listen, I know my son. And he has given his word to the king. He will do right by Kamala. Trust me.
Mother.
He will not do what you're thinking about.
Mother, you do not understand the prince, your son, do you? The prince is too proud to keep to his promises. And that is why I'm afraid for the maiden. He is too changeable. He changes with each color that he sees, especially when it has to do with women.
Will you stop this, Maha? Why do you speak so evil about your brother? Why?
Mother, I know what I say and why I say them. The prince is not firm when it has to do with decisions about women.
Maha, stop it! Stop it already!
I'm sorry, Mother.
You better be.
My mother.
Son! Son, come here, sit down.
My mother, the queen mother.
You look so happy and excited.
Yes. And that is because your son, Nkanta, the royal proud prince of this kingdom, has finally found a maiden that pleases his heart.
I knew it. I knew that Kamala will grant you all your longings in a woman.
Not Kamala.
What?
She does not qualify.
Impossible!
My forefathers. Son, who is this maiden?
Ubala.
Over my dead body.
Why? Abam, my prince. Kuma,
my prince.
My heart is buoyant today, for I have found peace in Ubala, the Egret.
My prince.
Yes.
We're also happy for you. You know, I'm always happy whenever my prince is happy.
Yes, you are right. You are right. And I just hope she arrives here on time. So that we will not keep the throne waiting.
She will.
Okay.
She will.
Yes.
I am right behind you, my prince.
Oh.
I am here, my prince and king.
Oh. What a true definition of beauty. Inward, outward. Ubala, you are so beautiful. And I am happy that you kept to your word.
The egret that never loses her prey, not for a second. I am looking forward to meeting the king.
Let's go. Let's go, please. Can I have your hands? The most beautiful one. Ubala. I am
So you have met her before?
Yes. And I'm afraid she's something beyond here.
I am scared for the life of the prince. I'm so scared.
So what do you want to do?
I will fight. Kamala. I will fight for the life of the prince. I would rather die than to have anyone spirit or human, take the prince away from me. I will fight with everything in me.
For the life of my brother and for the genuine love you have for him, I shall stand with you in this fight. We shall not let that kite take that chick from us. Together we will fight.
Ma, my princess, thank you so much for all your support. But please, let this plan be between the both of us. Nobody should hear of it. I beg you.
Kamala, I stand with you on this. In life and in death.
Your Majesty.
The Lion of Otundu, King of the great kingdom of Dim, Otepa, I greet you.
Rise, Maiden of Vision. You may be seated.
Thank you, Father. Your Majesty, my father. The Lion of Otundu, my father. I greet you, Your Royal Majesty.
You are welcome, my son.
The Lion of Otundu, the one who lays his love for his people, and especially for his only son. I have come before you with humility, counting on the love you have for me, which permits me to be here with assurance and confidence.
Go ahead and speak. The king is listening.
I want to beg His Royal Majesty not to be angry with his only son.
I am not going to be angry with my only son. Go ahead and speak. I am listening.
Lion of Otundu, I have found that woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
This is good. The responsibility of a father who is a good father is to make sure that his son gets that which makes him happy and promises peace.
Thank you, Your Majesty. And her name is Ubala, the Egret.
Ubala?
Yes, Your Highness.
Who is your father?
Your Royal Highness, I am from a neighboring village, and my father is called Udumeje.
Udumeje? And has my son made his intention for you known to you?
Yes, Your Highness, and I have accepted.
This is good. And that means we can actually start the process of coming to see your people without delays?
Yes, Your Highness, after the groom has shown himself to my people.
So my son, when are you preparing to make this trip?
The Lion of Otundu, I am ready to go today.
No, you cannot go today. You have to give me like 4 days to discuss this with my elders and council so that we can find the people that will volunteer to go with you.
Okay,
to go and see how people.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Ubala, you may leave now. You may have to go back to your people. Let them know that my son has presented you to his father the king, and his father the king has equally accepted you. Prepare the ground for us because my elders will be coming with my son for the payment of your bride price.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You may leave now. My son will lead you out.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
May your reign be sweet, Your Highness.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Kuma, I want you to lead my beautiful wife to be here home and make sure that she is safe before you return.
Yes, my prince. Consider it done.
Good. You may leave now. After you.
My prince. Nasabi Peru, Kosia George, Miriam Wonono, Ubalado,
You can go home now. I'll be fine.
Maiden, did you hear what my master said to me? He said I should make sure I take you home safely before I return to the palace. Please, I don't want to incur the wrath of my master.
Young man, I said I am fine. You can go back.
Why are you being stubborn? Help me obey the order of my master. I need to take you home safely before I return to the palace.
Young man, you are the one being stubborn. I don't like stubborn men. But since you do not want to listen, I will have to force you.
Am I okay? Hey!
If you love something, you fight for it. Who cries because he cannot get what he wants? Fight for what rightly belongs to you.
Father.
Wait, did you say that the contender is a woman of your age and the size?
Yes, Father. But she's not like us. She's not.
I don't understand you.
Father, she is a spirit.
Spirit?
Nai.
Spirit?
Why are you laughing so loud?
Come and listen to the childishness of your child, our child. Hey,
what is it?
Let her tell you that the contender with her for the love of the Prince of Otundu is a spirit. Yes.
In this our kingdom. My daughter, I think you have hurt your head badly and you need some rest.
Name, Mother, Father, I know exactly what I saw. I felt it. It was so strong. I know.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Ujunna, we may have to call Ogwebili to help her recover from her senses, loss of senses.
Nzenwa, instead of you to help her calm down, you are talking to her in this manner. Eh?
A spirit in Otundu kingdom. Take her into the hut. Let her have some rest. Don't let her come out here for the next 2 days.
Ngwano, Kamala, let's go inside. Oh? Come, let's go in.
Papa. Come on. Who's this after you?
My body. Am I alive? Chick, am I alive?
are you saying? What do you mean by are you alive? Are you not the one talking to me now?
Check if I'm dreaming. Am I dreaming?
How can you be dreaming and you are talking to me? I'm not sleeping? What is the matter?
Is the prince around?
Yes. The prince is in his room. What happened?
You will not believe what I saw now. That maiden.
Yes. What happened to her?
That maiden is not a human. It's either she's a spirit or a strong dibia.
Bia, Kuma, you better be careful with what you say. Don't allow anyone else to hear this from you.
Abba, you will not believe what I saw.
Kuma,
Abba,
what did you see?
as I was leading her home, as instructed by the priest.
Maiden, did you hear what my master said to me? He said I should make sure I take you home safely before I return to the palace. Please, I don't want to incur the wrath of my master.
Young man, I said I am fine. You can go back.
Why are you being stubborn? Help me obey the order of my master. I need to take you home safely before I return to the palace.
Young man, you are the one being stubborn. I don't like stubborn men. But since you do not want to listen, I will have to force you.
What?
I'm telling you the truth.
Kuma, do not allow this to get to the priest's ear. If not, he will send you to the curer of sport heads. And another thing, when last did you take Iba medicine?
So you don't believe me?
Kuma, as I have advised, don't allow this to get to the priest's ear or any other person in this palace. Have I made myself clear?
Abba,
wake up from sleep. Wake up from sleep, Kuma.
You know what? I will go in and take some water to clear my head of what I just saw now.
Wake up from sleep. Wake up!
Why are you slapping me like that now?
You know what? Go inside. Take water. Take a cup of water. Wash your face thoroughly. Because I can see that you are dreaming.
Your Majesty, did you speak with your son? Rather, did your son speak with you?
Speak with me about what?
He told me and our daughter some minutes ago that
That he has found the maiden he wants to make his wife?
Oh, you know about it?
Not until moments ago, when he brought a maiden here to tell me that she is the one he wants to make his wife.
And what did you tell him?
What am I supposed to be telling a man who has been rejecting all the people that he's supposed to be getting married to, and then finally he found one for himself? I did not say anything that would discourage him.
So what happens to the one we chose for him?
The ones we chose for him, he rejected all of them. And then he went ahead and found one for himself. If you ask me, there is nothing wrong with that. Because now he has nobody to blame. Had it been he ended up with the ones we found for him, and something goes wrong in the marriage, he will be blaming us that we found the wrong maiden for him. That had it been we allowed him to find a wife for himself, that nothing would have gone wrong. Now that he has found one for himself by himself, he will have nobody to blame. And let me tell you something, my very beautiful wife. The maiden that he found for himself is actually very beautiful.
Your Majesty, so you are encouraging him to discard another maiden for this stranger?
This has got nothing to do with me. The one who is going to be living with the woman has made his choice. We are supposed to be respecting that choice.
So what happens to Kamala?
Well, she is going to be compensated just the same way we have been compensating other ones he rejected. That shouldn't be a problem for you. Listen to me, my very beautiful wife. In the next 2 days, if not even tomorrow, the prince, the guards, and some elders in council will be accompanying the prince to go to the guest village and do everything that will seal her marriage, and she is going to become a wife to this family. Cheer up. Cheer up.
My prince. My prince.
Kamala,
Yes, my prince.
what are you doing here? Were you not the one not to get anywhere close to me? Huh?
Yes. My prince. I am only here to warn you against the impending danger that is about to engulf you if you don't listen to my warnings.
Kamala, I can say that you are a very wise maiden who can do anything to keep a man of royalty. I can see.
My prince, I am not here to make you go against your decision about us. I am here because of the love that I have for you that will not allow me to see you perish or face any danger. My prince, you need to listen to me.
I will listen to you. Kuma, I want you to throw this thing out of my presence this minute.
My prince, please, you need to listen to me. The lady you're about to marry, she's not a human. She's a spirit. What you see is not real. Please, my prince, I beg you, whatever happens to you will affect this great kingdom. I am begging you, my prince, please, listen to my warnings, please.
Kuma,
my prince.
Why are you still wasting time to push this fool out of my presence?
My prince, do not say I did not warn you, my prince. Leave me alone. Leave me.
Have you seen how desperation can push a man? I told you that this very maiden is not faithful. Lead the way.
Maha.
Father.
Guards, you may leave us.
Ezegadi.
What ails you?
Father. How can you watch the prince walk into his own death?
I know you are very stubborn. But must you allow this your stubbornness to drag to the point of wishing people death? Your own brother?
Father, I do not wish him dead. I have only come to warn the palace that if Nkanta is allowed to have his way, we will all regret it.
Your words are very weighty. And do you realize that your weighty words are capable of putting you in great trouble if they are finally established to be false? I want to hear you. What exactly did your brother do that is making you say such weighty words?
Father, the maiden that my brother wishes to marry is a spirit.
For the very first time in years, you have made me to laugh so loud. Do you need the services of head menders?
Father?
You don't need to call me because I don't understand. How can you be saying such thing? For the very first time since you grew into a woman, you have managed to let a childish talk come out of your mouth right before your father. What do you mean? A spirit in the Mutumba kingdom where I rule as a king? If not that you are royalty, that royal blood is flowing in your veins, I would have recommended that you should see head menders for them to see exactly what is wrong with your brain. Now take your stubbornness back to your heart. Eat something nice and rest. And don't ever say this again. Ojadike! Start blowing it from there.
Why do you want to sacrifice your life for another man?
No matter how hard you try, you would never take him away from me.
Foolish maiden, what can you do?
I will fight.
Then go ahead and fight!
Ah! 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 I am Kamala, the fearless. I do not fear the living or the dead.
A lady with muscular power, female tiger that fights with venom's anger.
I told you to forget about this, but you refuse to give up. I told you that the gods know everything that happened to us. See how bad they have beaten you up. Eh? Listen, my daughter. The prince is even ready to kill you, to remove you from his way. Why do you want to fight the powers of the palace? Why? Eh? Kamala, you know you are the only child that I have. Why do you want to send your mother to an early grave? Because of heartbreak. Why? Eh?
Mama, Mother, I was not beaten by anyone from the palace. I was beaten by a spirit in a woman's form.
Kamala, please don't make me laugh with this your childish talk. How can a spirit beat you up in this kingdom? When did that start? What does she want? What does she want?
I greet you, mother.
Princess of Otundu, by the gods, I wish we should be left alone. What do you want from us? Eh? What do you want after my daughter has been beaten and thrown out away from the palace? Eh?
Mother, stop it. Stop it, Mother. I told you already, I was not beaten by anyone from the palace. I was beaten by a spirit.
Yes, sir. Did you say no?
Mother, I understand your anger. But Kamala did not get her beating from the palace. She's fighting a power that is greater than the palace.
Tell me again that she was beaten by a spirit, as she has already told me.
Mother, please, I would like to be left alone with the princess. I want to have a private conversation with her.
I will go in.
My princess, how did you hear?
Are we not fighting together? What affects you affects me, till the battles are either won or lost. I have come to encourage you. Be strong. You must be strong.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared for the life of my prince. My princess. Thank you so much for this visit. Your visit has made me feel stronger to fight this battle.
You don't have to be scared. I will stand with you till the very end, till the battles are won or lost.
Thank you so much. I am forever indebted to you.
I am praying that the peace of our ancestors shall be with you as you embark on this journey. The spirits that live in our boundary and all the forces of the forest shall be very benevolent to you. You shall go in one piece and come back in one piece. No harm shall befall you as you embark on this journey. You may be leaving now, so that you don't keep the maiden waiting for so long. Okay, deliver body. Deliver Maduri. Deliver Manavo. You may leave now.
The lion of Butundu.
Okay. Let's go in.
Give me the cane, now! I am Kamala. I do not fear human, even the spirits. Give me the cane, now!
You're fighting a lost battle. He is my meat, and you must allow me to chew him properly!
You lie! You lie! Ah, you lie! He that harvests where he did not sow is a thief. Now, give me the cane. Now.
You're a brave woman. Now that you're on the ground, how will you untie me?
You have not one!
Kamala! Kamala! Kamala!
My prince.
Kamala, get up.
Prince.
It's okay.
My prince. My prince! No! My prince! No!
Mother. Maha, what is boiling in the pot? Why are you stomping the ground like a bull getting ready for a fight?
Mother, did you give your consent?
What can a woman do in the world of men? I am but a woman, and my voice is not even as strong as that of men. I tried talking to the king, but he has already given his consent. What was I supposed to do?
Mother, do you realize that your son may be in danger of death and injuries, even as we speak?
Maha! Maha! Why do you wish your brother such evil? Why?
Mother, it is not the one that caught the rats that is guilty. No! But the one who suggested that the head be smashed on the ground. Mother, those that gave their consents to the evil marriage between my brother and that stranger are the ones that are guilty.
Maha, you worry yourself over nothing. Listen, my son is safe. Nothing will happen to him. The gods of our land and our ancestors will protect him. Nothing will happen to him.
Oh, my only brother! My only brother! We'll fight for you! We will defend you! Oh!
Maha! Stop it! Stop it now!
Mother!
What is wrong with you?
Mother!
Stop it!
Mother! Mother, I'm sorry.
Stop it!
I'm sorry, Mother.
Oh, Timo! Maha! Maha! My princess! My princess!
Kamala!
Maha! My princess! My princess, I want to see the prince.
Kamala.
Please, I want to see the prince.
Kamala,
Where
you
is my
cannot see the prince. You cannot see the prince. The prince has been taken away from us.
My princess, please, you speak in hidden tongues. Speak in the language I can't understand.
Kamala.
Break it down for me. What are you saying?
Oh, Kamala, my father, the king, sent my brother, the prince, to meet with the parents of that stranger. Can you believe that? Kamala, you have to be strong.
No!
You have to be strong.
Abomination!
You have to be strong.
Oh! My prince!
You have to be strong.
He cannot be.
You have to be strong.
He cannot be. He cannot be.
Kamala!
My prince!
No! Kamala, you don't have to break down. No!
The proud prince of Udu. Who can't wait to see the bride.
Kuma! My prince. Obala, the love of my life, was supposed to be here waiting for us.
Exactly, my prince. That was what I was saying. The holy proud prince of Utundu. Just relax. She will be here soon.
Okay. Hey.
My prince, I am here.
The love of my life. That's my love.
Let us go, as my people will be waiting for our arrival by now.
Please, let us go.
Let's go. My friend, let me do it.
Please, don't waste my time.
Kuzuma! Do not fear. She's merciful, and she will help us.
What do you want from me, Great One?
The merciful one. The man that I love so much, with my heart and everything in me, has been taken away from me. Please, show me mercy.
Stop.
For I understand how it is in your heart. We will help you because you have kept your vows. Come. I will lead you to the entrance of the land of the dead, for you can never find it yourselves.